Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are trying out some beautiful cat eye polishes from the brand Born Pretty. Now, this is a sponsored video and I was oh so lucky enough to be sent these 6 stunning cat eyes. So, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Delissime. I am a licensed nail technician, and here on the channel, we talk about nail art, nail designs, nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I promise you will have a fun time here. Now, in light of our cat eye color changing polishes, I thought I would put on my mermaid dress that I haven't worn for years and absolutely one of my favorite gowns to put on. Now, if you guys are not already following me on my TikTok or my Instagram, I will absolutely leave my other social media there. Now, if you follow me there, you will get exclusive content, stuff that you won't normally see here on YouTube. So I hope to see you there. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will dive right. I cannot express to you guys how excited I am to look at all of these polishes. You guys can see that I have them all nicely laid out and making sure that we have all the tools that we need to accomplish our beautiful swatches and these stunning cat eyes. Of course, we've got our Born Pretty Talco and we're ready to start. With our first color, we have Caramel MY78. And this one I actually just put on my mom recently, and she absolutely loves them. I will go ahead and post a picture right here so that you guys can see how stunning this color turned out on my client slash mom. Shout out to you, mom. We love you on the channel. I'm gonna start with a nice thin layer. You guys already know we have to do at least one thin coat, cure it for about 60 seconds. And then once we've got our first cure done, we will go in making sure that we are ready for the cat eyes. So I'm just showing you guys here. Every bottle, every manufacturer is different. So you want to make sure that you read and you do the proper the proper cure time because you don't want it to be under cured. I remember in school my teacher saying that you can't really over cure, but you can definitely under cure. Moving right along to grabbing that magnet, we are gonna just go ahead and kiss it slightly. Once I hit it with the magnet and I'm not getting the full magnetic shine that I know that the potential that it has, I'll make sure to hit it on one side. You'll see me kind of do a little swoop and then all that magnet is gone. When you go back onto the other side and then you kiss it at the bottom, you can see that manipulating the magnet is so much fun to see. So Caramel MY78, so far, great start. Our next color is going to be Berry Red MY82. This color is absolutely stunning. I can definitely see pink undertones, but the red is absolutely pulling through. I can't wait to hit it with the cat eye. This is a perfect color for spooky season. You guys can already see that I've got my red spooky ghost nails on. So you guys have to let me know down in the comments. Are you guys doing anything spooky for this holiday season? Me, myself, I am such a homebody, and my husband and I, we don't necessarily celebrate Halloween, but you best believe I will be comfy inside watching scary movies, doing spooky things. Not really. I'm pretty sure I work the next day, so keeping it cute and keeping it mute. But Berry Red MY82, you are looking beautiful. Moving right along to dark chocolate, MY80. One of my favorite things about spooky season is gonna have to be all the yummy treats. You guys already know if you've been on the channel, I was gonna say I love dark chocolate. I do not like dark chocolate. That's just the nail polish color. I love milk chocolate. You know, I used to be a really big fan of white chocolate, but I feel that is a little too sweet for me, which is crazy because I have the biggest sweet tooth. So make it make sense. But dark chocolate, I do not like dark chocolate. That was crazy, but I do like this dark color. Especially when we hit it with the cat eye, it's giving Hershey's, it's giving, what else is it giving? Like Cocoa Puffs. I don't know, but this is dark chocolate MY80. Looking good. We have Smoky Ash MY78, and I actually have a funny story about this color. My mom was actually the first person to actually see the collection of all these cat eyes, and on her previous set, we actually did silver, and so I intentionally did not show her this silver, and then at the very end of our nail appointment, she noticed, she was like, "Oh my goodness, look at this silver." And I was like, "I know, I hid it from you because we did it last time." So you guys definitely might see silver on mom's nails again. She definitely fell in love with it. Now, the difference between this silver cat eye and the one that I put on her was this one is like super transparent, but then when you hit it with the light, the cat eye is so bright. It's so beautiful. So Smoky Ash, MY78, we see you. Next, we are going to be trying our purple mystery, MY81. And as I am laying it onto the swatch, it's definitely giving, um, oh my goodness, I literally just said it, like a purple ball that you can read the future from. A crystal ball? A purple crystal ball. The ones that the witches use, you know what I'm saying? Any hoosers, I feel like I was a little bit heavy-handed when I was going in with the second layer, but it is beautiful. I definitely could see myself wearing this. I know in a previous video I mentioned that I wear more cool tones, cool colors, purples, blues, greens, but since we are in fall, it's speaking to me, you know, it's speaking my language. It's definitely speaking my language. It turned out stunning. Now, this next color, Sea Blue MY83, has to be hands down my favorite. Before I even got it onto the swatch, I was so taken back with how stunning this actually looks. When you put it on the nail swatch and then when we move back and forth from the light, you can see all of these different pinks and purples and greens and blues, and it is so beautiful. Once I get it cured, I am slapping on that second layer because I'm so pumped to see how that cat eye is going to turn out. And I would have to say I will most likely use this for my next nail set, you guys, because it's so beautiful. So as I am making sure that it is super even, I'm grabbing my magnet and I cannot tell you guys how beautiful this blue turned out. Oh my goodness, the shine is shining, 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 shining. Yeah. See, blue MY83. I like it. I love it, actually. So we are now going in with our Born Pretty top coat. I am making sure that we are topping up all of our nail swatches so that when our nail clients come and sit in my chair, I can very excitedly show them all of the new beautiful colors that we get to try out. For all of my nail baddies that made it to the end of this video, I want you guys to leave me a little vampire down in the comments. Now, you guys already know I appreciate all the likes, all the comments, all the shares. But I can tell who and how long you guys have watched the duration of the videos. So, am I calling you guys out? Maybe a little bit. If you guys put a vampire down in the comments, will I be okay? Yes, absolutely. So if you guys had fun on this video, if you guys are loving all of these stunning colors as much as I am, please let me know down in the comments. You guys already know that sea blue is my favorite. I am now going to just take a moment to get these all labeled so that I can stay somewhat organized when I have my clients in the chair. I also want to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to Born Pretty. Born Pretty is one of my absolute favorite brands, and to be sponsored by this brand is a huge accomplish for me. I remember when I first started YouTube, I thought you needed thousands and thousands and thousands of subscribers before you can even be considered to be sponsored by a brand. But Born Pretty, thank you so much. I truly love, I truly appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for sending me these polishes. I cannot wait for my clients as well as my subscribers to check out all of these stunning cat eyes. I will leave in the description down below a link so you guys can get your hands on these beautiful polishes. You guys, look how they are shining. Oh my goodness, these are stunning. I would have to say the very last blue color would have to be my favorite, and I feel like it would be so perfect with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. But you guys already know. Let me know down in the comments which one was pulling on your heartstrings, which one would you see yourself wearing, or if you guys actually have this collection, go ahead and tag me in your photos. If you guys have any of the collections that I have, and if you guys have like pictures or photos or videos, let me know. Tag me in them. You guys already have my Instagram as well as my TikTok, so I hope to see you guys there. Now, don't forget, for exclusive content here on the YouTube channel, you guys can subscribe to my memberships, which I only have set to $1.99. So I hope to see you guys there. And without further ado, I will leave it right there. Bye. In my feelings, can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna